Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to get Rocket League on Steam. First of all, open up the Steam store on your PC. Once you get into your account, tap on Search bar. Then, search here for Rocket League. Now click on the Rocket League game from here. After that, you can choose any of the following Roblox tokens from here. Then, open up the web browser. Search here for g2g.com in web browser. Once you get into the G2G site, tap on its search bar. Now search here for Rocket League. After that, you'll find the Rocket League PC for Steam. So click on Video Game Options from here and see the details of it. Now click to see where you can activate the Rocket League. You can see if it's available in your country or not. If it's available, then get it from here and it will be downloaded. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.